This is a 2005 Ford F-150. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, cruise control, front and rear reading lights, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, dusk sensing headlights, privacy glass, and an adjustable steering wheel. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.